Don't lie to me, I saw for the rain. I waited hours almost in vain. You never showed, you never came. Is this a part of some cruel game? If you're not interested, just let me know. My heart is fragile, it moves slow. Your silence cuts like broken glass. Why does love feel like it's made to pass? You broke the promises we made. Now my trust begins to fade. Tell me why you hide behind the lies you always try to find. I stood alone in storm's embrace, hoping for a glimpse of your face. But all I got was empty night and memories that don't feel right. Every time you say you're fine, I see through words like thin white lines. You pull away, I start to fall. Are you afraid to give your all? You broke the promises we made. Now my trust begins to fade. Tell me why you hide behind the lies you always try to find. Every time you say you're fine, I see through words like thin white lines. You pull away, I start to fall. Are you afraid to give your all? You broke the promises we made. Now my trust begins to fade. Tell me why you hide behind the lies you always try to find.